this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Bitcoin.com wallet app. So if you have been experiencing a lot of problems with this app, maybe the app is not opening, or it keeps on stopping, or it constantly crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all. So there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you using an Android smartphone. However, you can as well troubleshoot it on your iPhone. Now, in the first method, we need to access the information page of this app. To do so, there are two ways. You can first go to settings, and from settings, go ahead and look for this option called apps and tap on it. So on apps, go ahead and look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and then tap on it. And then this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Under this, go ahead and look for your app, and you can see mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see we are on the app info page. Now, if that process was long, let me show you the shortcut method to get here. In the shortcut method, just go to the app, and then while on the app, go ahead and long press on it. And now you'll see this option called app info. So if you go ahead and tap on app info, it will take you to the same page. Now we are interested in clearing cache data for this app as the first solution to our problem. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data and user data on our app. Now, cache files are just normally small files that are normally kept on your app just to enhance the experience and usability of your app. However, the more these files accumulate on your app, sometimes they might cause the app to malfunction or fail. So what you need to do is to go ahead and clear this cache data. And to clear cache data, just head over here. We have an option called clear data. If I go ahead and tap on it, we have two options, either to clear all data or to clear cache. So if you go ahead and tap on clear cache, go ahead and confirm it. And now look at that, our cache data has been cleared. From here, now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening it. And at this point, it should have solved your problem. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the information data on your app. To do so, still come to this info page and then get to this option called clear all data. Now, if you tap on this and choose this option, then this will wipe out all the information you had saved on your app, including your passwords and usernames, and also other settings that you had personalized. So go ahead and tap on OK, and then this will proceed and clear all the data that is in this app. Now you can see the user data has been wiped out. Now go ahead and try logging in afresh with your details. However, if this process didn't solve your problem, then you might need to go ahead and try the third and the last process that should be able to solve your problem. And for this is to access the app information through the Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store and then tap on it. And then from here, go ahead and search for your app. And for case, we shall search Bitcoin Wallet. And you can see now the Bitcoin wallet is here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and look for any option called update. So if you can see update here, it means you are using an outdated version of Bitcoin wallet app, and you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. So once you have updated your app, now you can see we have an option to go ahead and open. Now at this point, this should have fixed all the bugs or all the challenges that were associated with the older version of your app. So by using any of these three methods, now you should be able to get the latest version of Bitcoin.com app and also get the latest features that comes with this app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video helped you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.